Hey, welcome back to Darkwater. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Smash that like button and hit that notification bell. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tenable Knives Rafe L. The Rafe L was designed in collaboration with 4T5 Design. I've been looking at the concept version of this for some time now, and the fact that this came out in an affordable version and it's in large, I was all over it as soon as it dropped. So let's check it out together. Product card, microfiber, and the Rafe L. I opted to go for the green and black wash version, which is probably no surprise here. And man, Tenable is doing really good things with their designs lately. Yeah, this is attractive. Let's check out the operation. Yeah, this is a lot bigger than the concept version that I held. There are a few little differences between the two. I see that this one doesn't have the cutout here or the bottle opener, if that's what it is. But this one definitely fits my hand a lot better than the concept version. Wow. Very attractive. As you can see, it came with some shipping oil on the blade. I'll get that wiped off. There we go. Very nice. Let's do some quick size specs on it. We got an overall length of 7.47 inches, a blade length of 3.19 inches, a handle length of 4.27 inches, a blade stock 0.157 inches or 4 millimeters, an overall weight of 4.97 ounces or 141 grams. The blade is constructed of 14C 28N Sandvik steel. It is a sheep's foot design, has 2 large fullers on each side of the blade, and it is about a 3/4 flat grind. The handle is constructed of green linen micarta and is very tactile in the hand. For pocket clip, we have a deep carry, right and left hand. It is a liner lock, and as you can see here, we have roughly a 30% lockup on the blade. Very good. And for me, there's just something about green. Green is one of my favorite colors, and the black wash totally does it for this blade. Just completes the whole package. There is a generous amount of jimping on top, so if you're getting a full 4-finger grip, your thumb rests nicely on top of that jimping. If you go to choke up, you can still use that jimping, or you can ride out in front a little bit more. You can also use a modified grip to do more detailed and intricate work. Yeah, this is a great looking blade. Check out the flipping on it. It is a flipper here, and I just have a stinking suspicion if you do a push button style, if you leave your finger there, you might get pinched. So just be cognizant of that if you get this. I would hit it and get out of the way. Yeah, that works just great. Also looks like there is a front or top flipper. That works great. There is also a fuller if you're able to finger flick. I don't think I can. That doesn't mean it's not possible. With the thumb, I can do it pressing into that blade. And with some practice, I'm assuming that I would be a lot better. There we go. Let's try the opposite side. My 11-year-old son, Tiger Claw, was teaching me how to put pressure on the blade and release them. So a lot of options here. Here we are. There's 4T5's design logo on there, and then the name, Rafe L. And if we flip it over on the other side, we have the model number, Tenable Knives, and 14C28N. Awesome. This looks good. Let's compare the Rafe with some other knives. First up, we have the Kaiser Sheepdog. And I would say that these two blades are roughly the same size. I mean, maybe you got a 1/16 or an 1/8 of an inch more on the Sheepdog. But these two kind of remind me of each other in their overall blade design. Next up, we have the Ferramonster Urban Grip. And as you can see here, the Urban Grip is about 3/4 of an inch longer in its blade and definitely a lot thinner in its handle. Next up, we have the Petrified Fish Trilobite. And as you can see, the Rafe L is about a 1/4 inch bigger in blade length and a little bit bigger in thickness on the handle. And last but not least, the Voss Steed Mink. I thought I would throw a fixie in there just to see how big the Rafe L compares to an EDC fixed blade. Great comparisons. Overall, I'm really digging the design of the Rafe L. Again, I was attracted to the Kansept version of this, but after holding it in person, the Tenable version to me is a lot more the lines of what I would like to carry as an EDC. Beautiful grind lines, outstanding color. It's kind of got a mint chocolate chip theme going on right now. Maybe that's just me. Maybe it's just the lighting. Hey, I'm just joined by Mr. Firestone. He just walked in.
Hello.
Hey, what do you think of this Tenable Rafe L? What are your thoughts?
Cool.
First time seeing this, huh?
Yeah.
I'll post another video coming up when I actually get to carry the Rafe L and put it through some paces. And I'll let you know how this does. But right now, as I'm sitting, out of all the Tenable versions that I've purchased, this one right now is probably my favorite overall, just as an initial impression. So I look forward to using it. Just a quick follow-up to the video here. Those scales, as you can see, they were very dry. Now I oiled them, and definitely a really cool color. But just letting people know that that is an option, that you don't have to have just ashy gray scales all the time. You can oil them with mineral oil. Thank you so much for spending time with Darkwater. And
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching. Have a good day.
Bye.